I'll fly, and I'll fly into the end of the sky. So I'll be the one who doesn't have to say goodbye.
Hey guys, come live action with My Little Pony stop motion short video called Fluttershy's Hiccups. Stop motion short, episode 15. My Little Pony. It is 1 minute and 55 seconds long. Oh yes. Okay, she's recovered from the sneezes. Now she has to get rid of the hiccups. Some work, some don't work. Glass of water holding your breath. A frightening surprise, which does cure for some people. It's due to the diaphragm not acting the way it should. Nerd! And I'm gone into Twilight Sparkle research there. It's something to do with the diaphragm. The diaphragm down here, that goes up and down when you breathe as well. Okay, Fluttershy hiccups. Is Fluttershy gonna hiccup on her lines?
Seriously?
Sorry, Upper Bloom. Really am sorry. Okay, let's find out what Fluttershy gonna do with the Fluttershy hiccups. Let's get the fashion started in 3, in 2, in 1, go! My Little Pony! Hello, Fluttershy. Ooh, she hiccups butterflies. Butterflies. That is a fanfiction, I just realised.
Hey.
Glass water! That's one of the cures. Nope. The Fluttershy's still in her. Lemon? Sucking a lemon. Ugh, sour. Nope. Next remedy. You're gonna get a scary cat. A scary pony. What you know? No! A kiss? What's Applejack cooking? What is that potion? She's known for blood potions? Or is that applesauce? What is that? It's a potion from Sakura. Or is that not? Oh, maybe even worse. The hiccups fly away. The butterflies fly away to make hiccup flowers. What are you planning? Seriously? Seriously? What? Seriously? Oh my god, seriously. I thought Fluttershy got killed the hiccups when she got frightened by Applejack. But somehow the hiccups makes the apples bigger. Okay, I see everything. Have I? I don't know this pony world. Very confusing at times. You never know what's going to happen when it comes with ponies. It doesn't have to make sense to be enjoyable. What is the fun of making sense? Well, sort of thing that hiccups go away over time, in a sense. Caused by eating too fast, drinking too fast. Panic attacks could cause it, I believe, because you're constantly up and down. Not up and down, but breathing heavily. Is it I think all these cures work for some people, some cures don't work for the other. I don't know, work for other people. I'm not sure what sort of potion did Fluttershy drink. It's something that probably from cures recipes, maybe. It could have been just apples. The miracle core. Oh, I see what I did there. The miracle core is apples. Applesauce. This must mean past the 7-day quarantine or 14 days. Oh, I'm sorry about the last reaction. Man. Whoa! Hope you like this reaction and all my reaction videos I do, and I'll see you next time. Oh, yes.
And I'll fly,